Today I want to show you the easiest way to cut a watermelon into cubes. This is foolproof. First, grab a watermelon, make sure it has a yellow spot. That will ensure it's ripened on the vine. Cut it in half lengthwise, and again lengthwise, to quarter the watermelon. Now you're going to use a very sharp knife to cut across the watermelon, but not through the skin. You're going to cut diagonally, parallel to each cut side. You may have to go over the cuts a few times to really get down to the bottom. Be careful here, the watermelon is very slippery. Use the knife to follow the curve near the rind of the watermelon. Now you should have perfectly cubed watermelon. You can go ahead and just dump it right into a bowl, and you can get any stragglers out with your hands or with a paring knife. Yum! Get this and more recipes at bowlofdelicious.com.